We are handling this project from Eksu gate to Ifaki roundabout. As you see, it is a dual carriageway, and some of the sections we have to use stone base and asphalt. There was an existing earthwork, and we introduced a new earthwork between the Pathfinder Bridge to Iworoko Bridge on the right hand side. And what we are seeing now, we are doing filtration here. This section here, we have used boulders, we have used hard cores, we are using sharp sand, and we are using stone base and also some aggregate. You know, what we call here is filtration. Normally, when we are scarifying, we do a deep soil test. And I'm sure our predecessors didn't do that. That was why the road got somehow into a dilapidated shape. I'm sure most of you passed this road earlier before now, and you see the extent of damages that was caused on this road, and probably even the accident that was happening here, sometimes on daily basis. It's so heartbroken to see every time such things occurring. But by the grace of God, as you can see the other side of the road, everybody is running smoothly, even though it is 2 lanes, but people are running smoothly. They are very careful. There are no potholes, there are no speed breakers, and everything is going fine. So I want to also let you know we have done the left-hand side from Iworoko to Ifaki. Roundabout is completed 100%. So any motorist now, they are free to apply the road freely. But they should please mind their extreme right. They should always keep to the right. If they are going to keep right, if you are coming down, you keep right, because that's your right of way. So since it's the right of way, because it is now 1 lane we are using for both left-hand side road and the right-hand side road. People who are coming in and going out, they use 1 lane temporary, pending the time this place is done and done perfectly. So we will now open it for motorists. So we are now busy with the stone base, and probably by the next 2-3 days, we are going to commence our asphalt between the police station down to Eksu gate. If you are coming, I think you have seen so many work going on there, and we have stabilized the area. We have even done similar thing there in one section of the road at Iworoko. We found a very bad unsuitable materials. We excavated, cut away, and filled with boulders, hard cores, sharp sand, and stone base. So, and the place is already set for asphalt now. I think what we have been doing so far, and what His Excellency has been doing so far, I think he has gotten to the climax. As far as I know, he is doing what we need to be done, and he's giving us, putting us on the offensive. And by the grace of God, we are going to meet up the target, and we are going to fulfill his agenda. I know his promises when he was campaigning, and we will also be supportive of his administration, and to always appreciate his exceptional moves. He's always been exceptional with whatever he is doing. As far as this project is concerned, I speak of my project, and I commend his effort for having the people's heart in his heart, because he knows the consequences of this road. And for now, most of the Good Samaritans, they will express their goodwill and prayers to His Excellency for having taken a